Hello.
Hi guys.
I'm Tatiana.
I'm Angel.
And we're the Makers HQ. Okay, so today we're going to be doing some sublimation on aluminum?
Yes, metal sheets,
aluminum.
Yes.
Okay, so we're very excited. This is a very simple tutorial, but the only thing is that we are doing it with polycrylic and on a
Clear
vinyl. Exactly.
Clear vinyl and on polycrylic and with nothing.
Yes.
No vinyl and no polycrylic to see.
Exactly. So we're testing. So if this video brings you any value at all, please
like and subscribe.
Yes, and so let's get to it.
Okay, so this is the tiny piece of metal. The size is 4x6. Mm-hmm. We got 3 pieces. So these ones, I don't know. You can buy. I saw that they sell ready to be sublimated on. They have the coat of whatever they put on it, but that's not the case here. So when I bought it, they told me that it has a tiny plastic, a film on it. So I have to remove it, because that's when you see the very nice, like, shiny side of the metal. And this is the one we're gonna test without anything. Just we're gonna remove the film and we're gonna sublimate on it to see if it can take the ink.
Well, I would doubt that it takes the ink when it has nothing on it.
It's like the tiles.
Exactly, yeah, it's like too smooth.
Yeah.
But we always like to do one as a test just to show like it can or cannot work.
Just to get mad. Yeah, and I know.
Just to get mad and annoyed. Exactly. All right, so let's try the first one to get mad and annoyed. So we're just gonna put a small design that we already had, that Angel basically cut up so that we can sublimate on. So it's very simple, nothing serious where we have to put anything else on this. We just cut a few pieces of tape so that it will stick at least. It won't like fly when we remove the protective sheet or the Teflon. And that's it.
And we're going to do it for
so we decided to do it for 150 seconds, which is the amount of time that we're gonna do the polycrylic, the one with the polycrylic at, because if we do it for 30 seconds, for sure, it's gonna be very light.
Yes.
So 150 seconds, the pressure is medium, and the temperature is 200 Celsius or 395 Fahrenheit.
So we'll see you soon.
Oh, no, please cover it.
Protection.
Okay.
So we're back.
We are back.
And it was 3 minutes.
Woo. About 3 minutes, 150 seconds.
Oh, yeah, a minute and a half.
So Angel went to put a glove on just in case because...
Yeah, it didn't transfer.
Nothing.
It's like dead.
Well, I mean, you can see that it wants to transfer.
Yeah, but...
Ooh, and it's so hot.
It's the metal level too.
I don't know why I keep getting burnt.
Nothing.
Well,
that's it. So...
but this is not surprising.
No, we know this was gonna happen, or something like this was gonna happen.
So this is basically our control.
So this one is the second metal sheet, is the one with the polycrylic. As you saw in the other one, the results of the other one, horrible, nothing came out because it had nothing. So now we're gonna do it for the same amount of time, which is 150 seconds, 200 Celsius or 395 Fahrenheit. You put this ugly paper that we already used, and it has like all the dent on it, and cover it.
And believe you me, let the piece cool. Even if you just open the machine and let it cool.
Yes.
Because I don't know why I'm not getting it, that things are super hot. Because even with the gloves, Angel could just basically move it, and then that was it.
Yes.
You would need heat-proof gloves for this one.
Because you might forget, and then you lose your fingerprints. Okay, here we go. So 1, 0, and here we go. This is the second metal sheet. This one has polycrylic, and I brought this because the gloves have been transferring this blue thing on it, and I don't really like it. So, and this one is stuck. No, I think I have to put my gloves because this is very hot. Unless we let it cool off a tiny bit.
Yeah, we let it cool off a little bit. Don't pick it up with your finger.
Okay.
Do you want maybe a thing?
Okay.
Okay.
Out. Okay, so this third piece, it's we're gonna do it with the clear vinyl. The clear vinyl, we put the side that is shiny, we put the shiny side up and the matte side down. So we're gonna stick it. You only have to stick it for we're gonna do like 30 seconds to stick it. And the same temperature, but 20 seconds. And I need the Teflon. Thank you. Like this.
Are you sure that when you put it, it didn't move?
No.
Okay. Go. Seconds.
This is what's only just to stick the vinyl on it.
What happened?
It's. Let me see if I can get something to. Can I have this thing, the ruler, please?
Okay, so today we're having a lot of technical difficulties, but we're gonna get through it. We're gonna get, I don't think metal will see us again.
I know, the metal is being stubborn today.
Okay, so this, like this.
Shall we tape it?
Yeah, I think we should. I just don't know, I can't touch it.
Yeah.
You're good?
Okay, so this one has the tiny vinyl that we just press it for 20 seconds. Now we're gonna do regular sublimation, right?
For 30 seconds.
For 30 seconds. Okay. The same. 200 Celsius, 395 Fahrenheit. So let's see what happened. Here, and I'm gonna take a tiny peek. It needs more time, I think. I think it needs a little bit more of time. You see it?
Yeah, why does it need more time?
I don't know. I feel like we can leave it like a few more seconds.
Okay.
We left it for 50 more seconds because it looked like it wasn't transferring. Now I'm gonna take another peek. Maybe now it's transferring better. Or is it burning? Wait, let me see.
What if you, oh yeah.
Working with metal is so weird.
Okay.
I can't really tell what's happening.
Well,
I feel like the marks are from the tape. Not the tape, I mean the vinyl that we put down. Right?
Okay, so we're very confused. So we'll be back in a second after it's cooled down.
Failure. A disaster. So we did I don't know what happened. Like we let them cool off a little bit because they were like too hot. So now we are able to show you the disaster that we made. It's not a disaster, it's just we don't know what happened because I put polycrylic on this one and I put nothing on this one, and this one has the clear vinyl, right? So granted that this clear vinyl is for fabric.
That's what we saw afterwards.
Maybe we see that you can transfer it actually, yes. If we get the clear vinyl for
like sticker,
yeah,
vinyl?
maybe, yes, but still we don't like the results. This one obviously because it has nothing, you can do this, so out. And this one is the most intriguing one because I did the 2 coats of polycrylic, I let it dry for a day, and then this is the result. It's horrible. And I can even see the tape that I put right here. I don't know why I can see the tape. And this is aluminum. I thought it was gonna transfer, I thought it was gonna be okay, and it's not. So,
okay, but granted, because this is our first fail video, so we're not gonna rant for 2 hours.
Oh, no.
Because Angel thought he was gonna die when he saw the results. But this is my 2 cents, right? If we can see the line, if you look at it, you can see that there's a line, you know, an outline. But usually when we do designs, we do the whole sheet, so you wouldn't see anything that's happening if like there's a tiny outline around a cutout. So we would recommend that if you do use polycrylic, to do something that has the whole design. Now, it's not that it's horrible. Maybe it needs to stay longer, because we can see, like I can actually see the little blue lines inside of it, and it's already distressed anyway.
Yeah,
so
and it took ink. Look.
It took a lot of the ink. So I would recommend that if you would use polycrylic, to use maybe solid lines and use a full sheet to do the actual design on. So it's not a complete failure, but it's not, for what we were hoping, it didn't come out the best, but it does come out. Especially if you find a piece that is already ready to be sublimated on, that's aluminum, then that's perfect. That's you perfect. Know, so perfect. Don't think like it can't be sublimated on.
Yes.
For this one, again, once we saw the way that it was going on, I went and checked to see why the vinyl was like this. And it does say that it's clear vinyl, but specifically for textile. I don't know if maybe because it's for textile, it takes something that is softer to like kind of get onto. Have no idea, but I'm pretty sure that it would work. I don't know why it didn't come out as well. Again, maybe just because of the nature of the fact that the support is not textile, because we've done sublimation on clear vinyl and it came out perfectly each time. So that's what I'm hoping, that's what I'm thinking, that it's because of this. But we did want to do something, and I like it. I wouldn't say that it's impossible, but I would say maybe do some tests. You know, it's just that simple.
Yes.
Will we try another video with aluminum?
Yes.
I think we should.
I should get like 3 more of this like this.
That's it.
And maybe wash this one. I'm gonna see if I can wash this one.
And see if we can
do something else.
Like do the test over, maybe do half and half to see what comes out.
Something, because I know you can do this. I know you can sublimate on this type of material. So we need to make another video where we successfully transfer the image onto the thing.
And you know what, this year, since we started, because we're only testing everything and we're learning, we've made a lot of mistakes. So we do have to do a lot of retest of a lot of different things to see how they work now that we have more experience.
And that's the thing, that we don't test before the
a lot
videos.
of times we don't.
Most of the times, like we don't, like today you think it was gonna come out like this.
No, we knew
we had
it was
tested
gonna be good.
Before. I thought it was gonna be like the tiles.
No, we knew it was gonna be perfect.
Yeah.
We didn't even think that it would not be perfect.
And then now we are like here, you know. But like she said, we test things. We know things are gonna happen. Things like this are gonna happen because we don't know everything. And this, it was my idea. And I was for sure 100% sure that this was gonna work, and it didn't.
It didn't work.
So now I want to do it again next week, but with better results.
I don't know that we'll do it next week per se, but we will do it very shortly.
Okay.
Okay.
That's fair.
That's fair, I think, because we have a bunch of things to get for it. So that's perfect. And that's it. So if this video brought you any value, if you have any type of like reasons as to why this could have happened and you want to let us know.
If you did it in the past.
Yeah, and you have some advice, please let us know, because we are going to retest it. And the point is that eventually we get good at sublimating most things like pros. Like,
exactly. Like,
but right now we're like, like maybe not.
Maybe. So that's it.
Okay, so if you like this video, please
like and subscribe.
Yes, and thank you for being here with us, and we shall see you next time, all right?